Hello everyone, welcome to Ifixx Electronics SXM. In today's case, we have iPhone 16 Pro Max. Customer took it somewhere else and the technician said it's a charging IC. And customer also gave us the charging IC, the brand new one. But we are going to work on this phone with our knowledge. We're going to test it from zero. So let's unscrew and remove the back panel. The customer wants this phone fixed and the back panel to be changed. Let's test with the charging. While we charge, we can see we have current consumption of around 300 milliamps. That indicates our charging IC is working good. Maybe it's a USB controller. We'll open the phone and test further. Let's check with the DC power supply first. So I noticed first thing in this phone is this phone have leakage of 0.04 milliamps, and with trigger it shows normal current. So it can be the charging IC also, it can be something else. So we'll take out the board. Before I used to dub with the AI voices. From this video and further, I'm going to dub with my own voice. And in future, maybe I will do recording on the spot. Because of the crowd and all the things, we cannot do the recordings. The first thing I noticed on the flex, a mark of maybe water damage. So other side of the board, you can see the corrosion because of the water damage. This indicates this phone have been in contact with the water. The situation maybe not worse, but yes, the data lines looks good. So if I'm trying to turn it on with the charger, the current goes little high. This goes around like 500, 600. You can see clear now. Goes 900. Okay. Again, down. Okay, one time 1 amps. Actually more than 1 amps, one and a half. But still it's not charging. Still it's not charging. This current is for the power, to power on the circuit. It's not charging actually. Now you can see it's coming down. And phone is taking too long to boot. Okay, it's going in diagnostic mode. So maybe we have water damage in our power and volume flex area. Under the microscope, you can see small dot, small sign of the water damage. Other areas look good, but the power and volume area, you can see the volume keys. The water is there also. So we'll clean it and check it again. My apology if my pronunciation is not good. I'm trying. So as you can see in the microscope, the surface, the sandwich area also have water signs. This water thing happens because of the broken glass or glass has been replaced before. After cleaning, we're going to test it again with the DC power supply. Now the 0.04 milliamps is now 0.12, so around like 12 milliamps. We have to open the sandwich board, separate the both upper and down board to see the situation inside of the motherboard. If you have this kind of problem, you can visit our store. We are located in Phillipsburg, St. Martin. Currently, I don't have the preheater for 16 series, but that's not a big problem. We have our hot air station. We can separate the board with the hot air station. This needs a lot of practice, patience. So I don't see much damage. The damage was on the ring only. So we're going to clean the ring and test it again. I fast forwarded video because it was too long, and explain everything is really difficult and during editings. Same place in this board also. During cleaning, you have to be careful because there are a lot of small components nearby the ring. As we run the repair store in Phillipsburg, we get a lot of customers. So it's really difficult to record the same time everything, because during this kind of work, we also cater to other customers like screen replacement, battery replacement. We repair a lot of things here. We repair televisions, phones, music systems, speakers, JBL amps, and many more. The gaming consoles, laptops, everything, almost everything electronics. So now with the DC power supply, you can see there. Let's turn on the power supply. Yeah. Okay. Now our current consumption is normal, 0, 0. That's a good sign. Now we're going to re-wall it again and then install, attach the board. This is our stencil to re-wall. Every wall should be even. Now I'm going to attach the board the same way we removed before with the hot air station. Okay, now our board is attached. The board needs to be cooled down and attached with the housing. Connect all the cables. Now we have the good charging amps, 5 volt, around like 3 amps, 2.9. And because of the battery is dead, it's charging 5 volt. Now you can see it's gone 15 volts. And the phone is on. We'll test the signal, Wi-Fi, everything working good. The back glass will be replaced and it's good to go. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. If you have any queries, you can call our WhatsApp number or the landline number. Thank you for watching.